All right, this is a Masterlock V-Line 4150. Gonna use the top of the keyway tensioner and start off with a medium hook. Start from the back. Click on 5. Click on 4. Nothing on 3. Nothing on wait. Yeah, nothing on 3. Nothing on 2. Switching to the long hook on 1. It's binding. No, 1 isn't binding. Two isn't binding. 3 is binding. Soft click on 3. Checking on 1 again. Okay, 1 is binding now. Okay, soft click on 1. Switching back to the long hook for 1. Counter rotating. Okay, there's 1. I might be, yeah, way past rotation there, so gonna have to counter rotate somewhere here. It's 2. 2 is counter rotating. Okay. Okay, 2 is down. 1's back up. Let me check 3. 3. Nothing on 3. Going back to 1. Oops. All right. 1 is set. 2 is set. And going back to 5. Nothing on 5. 4. Nothing on 4. 3. Nothing on 3. Nothing on 2. 1. There we go.